Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to invest in the S&P 500 using Robinhood. So it's pretty simple. So you can invest in the S&P 500. So S&P 500 index measures stock prices of 500 large publicly traded companies in the US basically. So you have to understand on what you are actually trying to invest in, and you want to check the APY and the actual yield per year to know how much returns you're going to get with your own investment. So do your own research, of course, and I won't actually explain what it is. I'll just explain to you how it works. So basically, you'll have to deposit into your account first. So there's instant deposit available, but you can also transfer money, and then there's going to be an actual initiated transfer. So this is $10 transfer, and then you're going to be having your deposit completed within just a day if you don't have the actual instant deposit available feature. So next is you'll have to browse for your own actual ticker or symbol if you will have it. So it's going to be Vanguard for S&P 500. So Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. Search for that. And then you'll just have to check the price right here. And then you have your positions down here. And you can just press the trade button. And then all you have to do is buy. Then from there, you will do a market order basically. And market order means you will buy in the current stock's price. And then you will have to just use the $10 that you have initiated or invested. And then all you have to do is press buy. And then the shares will be purchased. And the average price per share will show right here. And now the order is done. And it's just that simple to invest in the S&P 500 using Robinhood. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.